Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, we will show you how to customize the advanced button block to make an interactive button in Gutenberg. So, let's start. First, you can type /type container and then select the container block. We can go with the single column layout. For preparations, let's make some changes in the Flex property section. Also, from the Extra tab, let's adjust the padding to reshape the content area. Alright, then let's click the plus icon in the middle and start typing the advanced button. Once the block pops up, select it to insert it. This is the default button appearance. Under the Basic tab, then the General section, you will find up to 9 unique button styles to start. Each has a unique transition effect, and some even have additional perks. Take your time to check them out. Once you have selected your button style, then you can edit the button alignment quickly from below. Then, from the Content section, you can change the button text, and then place a URL. Here, you can choose to open the URL in a new browser tab. And then, finally, change the icon status. It can be no icon, a custom icon, or an icon-only button. Now, let's jump into the Style tab. Here, you will find the typography settings on top. With typography, you can change the font family, font size, font weight, style, transform, and more. Just go with your own style here. After that, you can customize borders around the button. Clicking on the tiny border icon, you can add a solid border here with a customizable border color, as well as a custom border width. Then you can change the border radius value. For padding, you can ungroup the fields and then add custom padding values for all 4 fields. Then again, the button text color, background, and box shadow options are available for both normal and hover modes. In normal mode, let's change the text color. Then for the background, either choose a gradient or a singular color. Then in the hover mode, the same color goes for the text, but a bit different color goes to the background. This is best for hover interactivity. Now, from the list view, let's duplicate our button, changing the alignment option to place them closer. For the second button, let's change the button text first. Now let's select an icon for this button. Just click on the icon field and choose a custom one from the icon library. Nice. Now we can go inside the Style tab to make some changes. For the second button, let's add a thin, solid border with the same color as the background. The same color is also for hover. Then from below, let's change the text color to the same. And now make the background white, simple and artistic. For hover, no major changes needed, just tweak the background color a bit. Okay, now go into the icon section below. For button 1, there was no icon section because it was turned off. Now here, under normal mode, let's make the icon color the same as the button text. For hover, let's make it white. At this, a basic interactive button has been created in Gutenberg using Zoloblocks. Update the changes to make them appear on the front end. With your creativity, you can unlock more designs with the advanced button block. Take examples from our demo pages here. We made these to inspire your button design in WordPress. So, take your time and make interactive buttons for your website easily. Thanks for choosing Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to get more blocks tutorial as soon as they are available. Stay connected with BdThemes.